Hey,
Ever tried filming an epic vacation, only to end up with shaky, blurry footage that looks like it was shot during an earthquake? Yeah, frustrating. But today, I've got something that might just solve that problem. We're talking about the Sony FDR-AX53 4K Ultra HD Handycam camcorder. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about this camcorder. The good, the bad, and whether it's worth your money. Stick around, and if you want to check it out for yourself, the link is in the description. Let's go! Alright, so what's the deal with this camcorder? The Sony FDR-AX53 is a 4K Ultra HD Handycam that's compact but packed with some serious features. It's got a 20x optical zoom Zeiss lens, balanced optical steady shot stabilization, and a high-sensitivity exmor, or CMOS sensor. In simple terms, it's made for smooth, clear, high-quality videos, even if you're filming while walking or in low-light situations. This model also records in 4K Ultra HD at 24 or 30 frames per second, and if you want to shoot slow motion, you can do that in 1080p at 120 frames per second. Plus, it has Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity, meaning you can transfer your footage wirelessly. No need to fumble with cables. Now, let's talk about some of its standout features. Zeiss Variosonar T Lens Asterisk gives you sharp images with minimal reflection, making sure your videos look clean and professional. Balanced Optical Steady Shot stabilizes your footage across all zoom levels, which is a game changer if you're filming handheld. Fast Intelligent Autofocus AF locks onto subjects quickly, making sure they stay sharp in your videos. 5.1 channel surround sound microphone captures high-quality audio to match your stunning visuals. 26.8mm wide-angle lens, perfect for capturing more in a single frame, ideal for landscapes and group shots. Includes a bundle of accessories. You're getting a 64GB SD card, a tripod, extra lenses, filters, and more, a complete kit for beginners and pros alike. Like any product, the Sony FDR-AX53 has its strengths and weaknesses. Pros: superb 4K video quality, crisp, detailed, and professional-looking footage. Great stabilization, no more shaky cam effect, even when moving. Good low-light performance. Larger sensor means better results in darker settings. Slow motion recording, great for capturing high-action moments in smooth detail. Packed with accessories, memory card, tripod, extra lenses, you get a lot in the bundle.
cons.
Autofocus can be slow at times. Some users reported issues with focusing when zooming. Battery life is just okay, around 2 hours per charge, so you might need extras. A bit pricey. Not the cheapest camcorder out there, but you're paying for quality. Some users reported jerky footage. A few reviews mentioned that their unit had focusing and jittering issues, but this seems to vary. One customer was really disappointed, saying their footage looked jerky and the autofocus was slow. They even sent it back to the seller but got no help. That sucks. But on the other hand, plenty of users love it for its sharp image quality and great stabilization. So, it looks like some units might have issues, but overall, most buyers are happy. So, is the Sony FDR-AX53 worth it? If you're looking for a compact, high-quality 4K camcorder with great stabilization and solid features, this is a fantastic choice. But if you're on a tight budget or need perfect autofocus, you might want to look at alternatives.